Bubby. It's gonna be so cold. Champion in the back. I don't know if you can see him. Okay. He can't pee. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to make him pee and poop right now. You gonna do well? Everything is just so white, and it's still currently snowing. I think Champ loves the snow. I think he loves it right now. I got so far already. But this is a struggle. Whew. Can't believe it. It's so cold. Look at that. Look at my shoes. My shoes is. Tracks right over there. Crazy. Woo. It's so cold that kaya bells raw. Saan naman? Uy. Papagyapon siya nangihi. He hasn't pooped or peed yet. And we're making tracks all over the backyard. Okay, you gotta poop. You gotta poop and pee, Bubby. You gotta pee. Come on. Let's go around here. Can you see Champ? I guess so. Ooh! Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be serious now. Let's go poop, Bubby. Oh, I guess we can do this at the bottom of the trampoline. Right, Bubby? You wanna do that? We're gonna do that over there. Bubby!